Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Waze and locating the report immediately. This saves time. Once you tap the report icon, make sure you are signed in and on the right map area. Next, find and open the specific report entry so you can act on it directly. You need access to its details to proceed. If it's a community report, note whether it's user-submitted or system-generated. This determines the next steps and why removal may require different actions. Now take the actionable steps to remove the report. If you created it, tap the three-dot menu and choose Delete. This directly removes your submission. Once done, if you did not create it, select Not Relevant or Incorrect so moderators review it. This flags the report for removal. Make sure to confirm any prompts, otherwise nothing changes. After confirming, wait a few seconds and refresh the map to verify the report disappears or is queued for. To finish, refresh or pinch zoom the map and confirm the report is gone. If the report persists, close and reopen Waze because cache or sync delays often block immediate removal. If that fails, go to Settings, then Help and contact us. Include the report ID and a brief reason. This speeds moderator review. Finally, check the community feed or recent changes to confirm moderators removed it. If removal still stalls, repeat contact with clearer details to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.